Hello guys! So for today's video is magre-rebond na naman tayo ng buhok, and syempre ang gagamitin natin is another one-step rebond na product. So if you would like to know kung ano yung one-step rebond na yun and kung paano nga ba siya ginagamit, just keep on watching. So ito yung gagamitin natin today guys, yung TheraBond Straight Deal One-Step Rebond and yung treatment nila na TheraBond PBB Botox. So titignan natin kung ano yung kalalabasan ng hair ni client after natin silang gamitin dalawa. So after ma-analyze yung buhok ni client, alright, we're going to apply the rebonding cream half inch away from the scalp para makaiwas tayo sa any scalp irritation or scalp issues. And then we're going to leave this for a certain time hanggang sa maluto yung buhok sa gamot, and then we will proceed to the next step. So this time guys, naibaba ko na yung gamot dun sa pinakadulong buhok ng client kasi previously rebonded hair yung pinakadulo, as you can see dun sa previous clip. And ibababa din natin siya for a certain time, and then after that we will proceed to the next step after natin siyang mabanlawan. Okay? So this is the hair of our client after na mag-react dun sa gamot. So syempre ganyan pa yan, and magpo-proceed pa tayo sa next step, which is yung pagpa-plancha ng buhok. So ang next step natin is syempre planchahin natin siya, and sa pagpa-plancha, paper thin section, same din sa traditional rebond na ginagawa natin. And as usual, kailangan make sure na maayos yung pagpa-plancha natin para magiging maganda rin yung outcome ng ating pagre-rebond using a one-step rebond. So dito guys, ang ginamit ko palang init is 200 degrees Celsius since yung buhok ni client or yung strands ng buhok ni client is medyo makapal. So kailangan natin na medyo mas mataas na init para make sure na maluluto rin sa plancha yung buhok ni client. So after natin planchahin yung hair ni client, so pagpapahingayin muna natin ito ng mga 10 minutes para sumingaw yung init, and then magpo-proceed tayo sa ating next step. So ang next step natin, bali imbis na gagamit tayo ng neutralizing cream, bali direct na tayo sa ating treatment, which is yung TheraBond na PBB Botox. So ito na yung gagamitin natin, pinaka-neutralizing cream niya. So after natin ma-apply yung treatment sa hair ni client, bali we're going to leave this for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then after that, we're going to proceed sa ating next step, which is yung pagbo-blow dry. So after 45 minutes, bali magbo-blow dry na po tayo ng buhok, and this time dito na po natin makikita yung resulta ng ating pagre-rebond using TheraBond Straight Deal One-Step Rebond. So, syempre, galing siya sa plancha, diba? Tapos, binasan siya ng treatment. So, pag kumulot siya, syempre, yun magiging back job siya. Pero kung hindi siya kumulot, then yun na yung magiging resulta ng ating pagre-rebond. So, for those who would like to try out this product, you can chat Justin Emberga or you can also visit their Shopee store, which is Caraband Manila, and then you can try out to yourself para makita ninyo yung kagandahan ng product na to. So, ito na po yung after blow dry result. So, as you can see guys, straight pa rin yung hair ni client. Pero, syempre, magpuproceed pa rin tayo sa pagpa-plansya ng buhok. Kasi, kailangan pa natin isil yung product sa buhok ni client, which is yung treatment na ginamit. And then, please watch till the end para makita nyo yung after wash result. So finally guys, we're done ironing the hair. I'm so sorry sa lightning kasi nalobat na yung cellphone ko. So ginamit ko na lang is yung ilaw na nandito sa bahay ni client, and medyo madilim yung ilaw na ginagamit nila dito sa babang bahay nila. So but as you can see guys, if maaaninag yung straight na yung hair ni client, and syempre just like what I mentioned, bali panoorin nyo to hanggang sa end ng video para makita niyo yung final result or yung after wash result ng ating pagre-rebond using Caraband Straight Deal One Step Rebond. So guys, ito na po yung after wash result ng ating pagre-rebond. So pagpasensyahan nyo na yung video kasi parang inutusan lang yan yung anak niya na mag i-video yung buhok niya, but as you can see, straight pa rin yung hair ni client. Pero kayo na bahalang mag-judge kung Caribels nga ba to or Wichicels. So hanggang dito na lang po yung video ko. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!